Okay, guys, what we want to illustrate here is the case 2 horizontal asymptote. Case 2 horizontal asymptote is characterized by the powers top and bottom being different. Mainly, the power in the denominator, the power of the polynomial in the denominator is in excess of the power of the polynomial in the numerator. Mainly here, we have second power upstairs and third power in the bottom, okay? And that's controlled by this slider, which is set to just go from 1 to 5 in steps of 1. We would not want to look at this. This would not be a polynomial if the exponent was not an integer, positive integer value. So we gotta set that up accordingly. Okay. So in here you can see that the function is heading for the it's heading for the x-axis, which is the horizontal asymptote. I can change other aspects of this, which will change the function entirely, but that portion of the horizontal asymptote will remain the same. Okay, I can increase the power in the denominator. Okay, now we have fourth power in the denominator. Whole function has changed, but what has remained the same is that we are still heading for the x-axis. Okay, the horizontal asymptote is equal to 0. If I make this horizontal asymptote the same as the numerator, in this case 2, then I'm back to case 1, in which, as you see, we already looked at, the horizontal asymptote is controlled by the ratio of A over B. However, when the denominator has a power in excess, we can see here's the ratio of A over B by this purple line down here, but here's our horizontal asymptote every time, changing that, okay, is going to have an impact on where the horizontal asymptote is going, to be, but the horizontal asymptote is always going to be, okay, at y equals 0, which is the x-axis, whenever the numerator has a power that is less than the denominator. So when I say it's bottom heavy means we will drive this thing, okay, to 0. That is the horizontal asymptote, okay? No longer do we have the ratio of A to B. As soon as we see bottom heavy in the standard polynomial expression, highest power dictates, okay, what the end behavior is going to be. When the highest power is for the scene, the top and the bottom, okay, 2 over 2, it dictated that A over B would be my horizontal asymptote, y equals A over B. When the highest power was in the denominator, it will dictate that the highest power being the denominator, will dictate that the horizontal asymptote will be the x-axis, the line, y equals 0, okay? That is it for case 2, horizontal asymptote.